Okay, we're good.
Alrighty.
Okay. So lesson
All right.
6 quiz.
Yep. All right. I already did the first two questions. So we're
Me too. Okay.
all
Number
right.
3. When you're taking a sample size of n, and n is the population, right?
Yeah, it's just the and just it's
Sample
just
size.
sample size.
I'm taking a sample size of 5. What's the shape of the distribution means histogram when parent population is right skewed? Isn't it also skewed right?
Yeah, I would think so.
Okay.
All right. When you are taking a sample size of 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Well, the higher the number, the more that it's gonna come out
Yeah, and
to
the
the normal.
the rule is if it's 30 or higher, then it's normal, right? So
Talk
that one
about.
would that one would be normal.
Yeah, I think it would be normal. That's a higher population or sample size.
Question 5. Size of 5. What's the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
And it's still normal.
Yeah.
For 6, when you are taking a sample size of 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? You still say normal for that one too?
Yeah. Okay. 7. Right.
Yep.
When would the distribution of means be normally? Choose all correct responses. So data is drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. So we just answered it. That would be
Correct.
yeah, correct. And data is drawn from a population that's normally distributed and some size is large. That would also be
Correct.
normal. Data is drawn from a population that's right skewed and sample size is small.
I don't think
That would
that
not.
one.
Yeah. And data is drawn from a population that's right skewed and the sample size is large.
I think that's normal as well.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
Okay.
8. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? If the parent population from which the data are drawn is normally distributed, then the sample mean will follow the normal distribution. For bell-shaped, approximately 68% of the data will be within one standard deviation of the mean, about 95 within 2, and then 99 within 7.
Um, last one.
What was that?
I think it's the last or the first.
Sample size large, the shape. I think it would be last one. Because I know the large sample size. I think it could be the third one as well.
No, the third one is the law of large numbers.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
It might be one. How? Might be one of the distribution?
So let's see.
I don't know.
Let's see.
I think it's the first one.
Yeah. Yeah, because if it's normal, it doesn't matter how many, like, as how much data and all that is drawn, it'll stay normal.
Okay.
All right, then 9.
Okay. Sorry, what?
Oh, I said just on 9 now.
Okay. 9. Use the following information and submit 4 questions. X is random variable, population mean of 10, population standard deviation size of 36. So what is the mean of the distribution of sample means? Is that like spread? Because with standard deviation, you would go 6 below and 6 over, so would it be 12? Or is that a total like bogus?
I think it's just almost like a trick question. I think the mean will always be the same.
So it's 10?
Yeah, I think it's 10. I'm pretty sure. I may be wrong, but I want to say it is.
That's a mean.
Yeah, I want to say it's 10.
Okay.
And then standard deviation, there's an equation to it.
Yeah, it's the standard deviation over the square root of
Sample size.
size.
So it'd just be 1. Is that what you got?
Okay, 11. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large and is greater than 30, what would the shape or the distribution of the sample, the shape of the distribution of the sample mean?
Normal?
Yeah, that would be normal. Why?
All right.
That's the central limit theorem, right? On 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to see if we know what we're talking about or not. We missed one. And it was number 8.
Okay, I think that one was the last one. Because I know it's not the other two. The one of the law of large numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Good first instinct on that one.
So it's the last one.
Yeah, it's the last one that says, if the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal.
Alrighty. Yep, and we got 100.
Have you looked at the homework already?
Yeah, I did the homework for this one already.
Okay. I had a quick question. On the questions where no, that wasn't it. I was looking at, and then I looked at the key, and there were a couple that I got wrong too that I wasn't sure how to. Because one of the questions it says, "What was the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means?" And I did the equation that it says. Maybe I just did the math wrong, but maybe I don't know if I put in the right numbers. Because I got 5.477.
Gotcha. And this is on the homework?
Yeah, this is on the homework. I'm gonna grab the key real quick so I can.
Which one was this?
It is number 11, I believe.
Oh, where it has 2.921.
Yeah. And I just think I did that wrong. Well, I did do it wrong because I got 5.477. So that one you do the standard deviation, which is 16. 16 divided by the square root of, is it 30 or 266? Let's see, the sample size? Yeah, so it'd be 30. Maybe that's why. That's why I didn't push these. Never mind, I got it.
All right.
equal the square root of 30, 477. I just forgot to press equals on my thing. Okay.
Gotcha. All right. So on Thursday, I'm good to meet pretty much whenever.
Okay.
So-
I get off work at 5 o'clock. But I also I don't work until noon, so I'm free from 9:30 to noon. Well, probably more like 9:45 is when I'll get home from class to noon, and so I can do any time in that morning chunk, or I can do after 5.
Want to aim for just 10 o'clock?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
Okay, sounds good. If it's gonna be me and you, sometimes anyway, because I think we're both. You're more on top of me, I think, but anyway, some weeks if we even want to just do both in one video each week, I think that would be nice to just get it done.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we can start doing that on Tuesday if you want.
Okay, sounds good. That helps me.
No problem. All right.
Okay.
Well, I'll see you Thursday.
Okay, sounds good, Caleb. Have a good week.
You too. Bye.
Bye.